What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel for another video. Today we're diving deep into the world of YouTube quizzes, and trust me, this isn't your average school quiz. We're talking about building a channel so engaging, so mind-blowingly awesome, that people won't be able to click away. We're gonna walk you through every single step, from picking your niche to getting those views skyrocketing. So, if you're ready to become the quiz master general of YouTube, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this show on the road. Alright guys, first things first, we gotta figure out what your channel's gonna be all about. Are you a history buff ready to quiz the world on ancient civilizations? Or maybe you're a geography guru with a knack for flags and capitals? The possibilities are endless. Now this is super important. Pick something you're passionate about. Trust me, your energy and excitement will translate onto the screen and get people hooked. Once you've got your niche locked down, it's time to think about your audience. Are you targeting fellow history nerds, or are you aiming for a younger crowd with some fun trivia? Defining your target viewer will help you tailor your content and make it even more awesome. Remember, a focused niche equals a focused audience, and that's how you build a loyal following. Okay, so you've got your niche and audience figured out. Now it's time to brainstorm some mind-bending quiz questions. Don't worry, we're not going to leave you hanging. This is where ChatGPT comes in handy. This AI tool is a lifesaver for generating creative and challenging quiz questions. Just feed it your niche, like World War II trivia or Marvel Cinematic Universe facts, and watch it spit out a mountain of awesome quiz ideas. But hold your horses. We're not just writing any old questions, we gotta make them engaging. Think outside the box, use humor, and don't be afraid to get a little weird with it. Remember, the goal is to keep those viewers on the edge of their seats. Now that you've got a treasure trove of quiz questions, it's time to craft a script that will captivate your audience. And guess what? ChatGPT is back to lend a helping hand. Use it to write engaging and informative questions and hints that will keep your viewers hooked. Remember, a well-written question can make all the difference between a boring quiz and an epic battle of wits. But it's not just about the questions, folks. We need to make sure the answers are equally awesome. Use ChatGPT to create clear, concise answers that are packed with interesting facts and trivia. Think of it like this. Every answer is a chance to teach your viewers something new and blow their minds. Chapter 4, Visuals that Scream Quiz Time, Designing with Canva. Alright, let's face it, staring at a plain screen with just text can get boring fast. We gotta spice things up with some visually appealing graphics. That's where Canva swoops in to save the day. This free design tool is a game changer for creating eye-catching quiz templates. You can find tons of templates specifically designed for YouTube quizzes, or you can unleash your inner creative beast and design your own from scratch. Add some relevant images to your templates like flags for geography quizzes or character portraits for movie trivia. Trust me, a little visual flair goes a long way in keeping those viewers engaged. Chapter 5. Lights, Camera, Quiz Action, Bringing Your Vision to Life. Okay folks, it's showtime. We're finally ready to bring all our hard work to life and create some awesome quiz videos. Now you've got a couple of options here. You can either record yourself asking and answering the questions, or you can use a text-to-speech tool for a more polished sound. Personally, I love the energy of a live recording, but hey, do what works best for you. As you're recording, don't forget to add some prompts to keep those viewers engaged. Throw in a pause here to think before revealing the answer, or encourage them to comment your answer below. This creates a more interactive experience and makes people feel like they're part of the action. Chapter 6. The Editing Magic Polishing Your Quiz Masterpiece. Congratulations, you've officially filmed your first quiz video. Now it's time to head into the editing room and work some post-production magic. Don't worry, this isn't as daunting as it sounds. You don't need fancy Hollywood-level editing skills to create engaging quiz videos. Just use some simple transitions and effects to keep the content dynamic and visually appealing. A little bit of zoom, a fade here and there, maybe even a cool sound effect when the answer's revealed. These small details make a huge difference. And don't forget the background music. Choose something upbeat and engaging, but make sure it's not too distracting. Remember, the focus should be on the quiz itself. Alright, your masterpiece is complete and ready to grace the screens of millions. It's time to upload that bad boy to YouTube, but hold on, we're not just hitting the upload button and calling it a day. We gotta make sure people can actually find your awesome quiz. This is where SEO optimization comes into play. Write an engaging title that includes relevant keywords like Ultimate Marvel Quiz or Test Your World History Knowledge. And don't forget about the video description. Use this space to provide a brief overview of your quiz and include even more relevant keywords. Remember, the more specific and targeted your keywords are, the easier it will be for people to find your video. Okay, your video's live on YouTube, but our work isn't done yet. Now it's time to put on our marketing hats and get those views rolling in. Promote your video across all your social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, you name it. Share it with your friends, family, even your pet hamster if you have to. But here's the key. It's not just about getting people to watch your video once. We want them coming back for more. Engage with your viewers in the comments section, respond to their questions, and even ask for suggestions for future quizzes. The more you interact with your audience, the more invested they'll become in your channel. Now let's talk numbers, folks. YouTube Analytics is your best friend when it comes to understanding what's working and what's not. Keep a close eye on your video's performance. How many views are you getting? What's the average watch time? Are people subscribing to your channel after watching? These metrics will tell you what your audience loves and what might need some tweaking. Maybe your history quizzes are a hit, but your geography ones are falling flat. Use this data to adjust your content strategy and give your viewers more of what they want. Alright, we've come to the part everyone's been waiting for, making it rain with your awesome quiz channel. Once you've hit YouTube's monetization requirements, you can start earning money from your videos through ads. But that's not all, folks. As your channel grows, you can explore brand deals and sponsorships. Imagine partnering with a trivia company or an educational platform. The possibilities are endless. But here's the thing, guys. Stay true to yourself and your content. Don't promote products or services you don't believe in just for a quick buck. Your audience can spot a sellout a mile away. Focus on building genuine connections with brands that align with your channel's values and niche. And there you have it, folks. You're now well on your way to creating an engaging and successful quiz YouTube channel. Remember, consistency is key in the YouTube game. Keep creating awesome content, engage with your viewers, and never stop learning and improving. Now go out there, unleash your inner quizmaster, and show the world what you've got. Oh, and before you go, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future quizzing adventures. Peace out.